loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a fashionista, model, actress, but above all else, my true weakness is makeup. I am a makeup artist, and that is why I am sure you are what? That is why you guys are here today. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Fumi's Makeup Land. Today's episode is kind of sort of special. Before I start, let me just congratulate Norvina, because Norvina really came for our necks. She released 3 palettes, the Norvina collection, palette 1, 2, and 3. We are going to review and do a tutorial on the Norvina one. So let us start, shall we? I'm so excited. So Norvina came out with the ABH Norvina collection, the Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1. She came out 25 beautiful shades, vegan free, cruelty free, and pigmented to the gods. As you can see, they run from A all the way down to E, across from A to 1 to 5, E all the way to number 5. When I tell you, darlings, I opened this pops and I said to myself, there's a lot of purple up in here. Every shade is different. I was like, ooh. Then of course, you know I have a weakness for red. So this kind of pinkish poppy red, everything. I was like, let us find out if it is pigmented or not. So it retails for $60, and it better be pigmented because it better be worth that coin. I mean, $60 is $60. You can buy you can buy an underwear set, a fragrance for $60 in Victoria's Secret. That's coin.
Take your husband out for dinner.
Take your husband out for dinner. That's coin. Buy Adrian's milk for the week. That's coin. So this better be worth it. So like I said, you know, it has the 25 shades. This is a different kind of palette from what they usually do, because you know they have like 14 pans. This one has 25. It's got the huge big mirror. Can you see a Ula in the back? You can't see, can you see me? In the back? And then it's got that kind of metal effect. It's very sturdy, it's very compact. It is a serious compact palette. So when it comes to packaging, like you already know, they are coming for you. My PA and my very good friend Christina, because ABH sent me the PR, so thank you very much ABH, but they sent it to London, but I'm out here in California, and Christina came from London to visit me. Like I've said so many times, it takes a village, so she came out to visit me, and then she bought a couple of the collections. The last one I don't have. I'll review that when I get back to London. All right, my loves, so without any further ado, I want you to sit back. I've already done it. Here it is, and we will find out if this is F.D.V approved or not.
I spent another night by the window all alone. Excuses every time, got some problems with your phone. Tell me why you just can't play it honest. I won't take
love, darling? Do we love? Yes. I'll tell you this. Norvina said poor pigment, she wasn't playing around. Now, I did my eye story first before I did my face because I wanted to show the Juvia's Place foundation sticks for you guys. I will tell you this, it is worth every single dollar of your money. I did not use any primer and I did not cut crease. I just put in the colors. I wanted it to be a little bit free and I wanted to give you guys ideas because you guys are not pro makeup artists and you don't play with makeup every single day. But I want you to have fun with it and say, you know what? This is a look that I could rock. This is a look that I could live with. Minimum fallout, maximum pigmentation because you know that I'm dark chocolate, no milk. And this thing was fabulous. Ula, my darling.
Is it F.D.V?
It is F.D.V approved. For the first palette, Norvina, you did your thing, girl. I loved this. Thank you for the PR, but more than anything, thank you for giving us a variety. Thank you for flipping it and changing it. Love this. I'm going to use this so many times to pan. As you know, as you watched, I use my eyeshadow Glam as a lip. Darling is a multi-purpose. That's my collection. You can use my discount code. It does not expire. And of course, Ula, my darling, what do you think about the foundation sticks by Juvia's Place?
Or they have to be approved?
Of course. They're approved. They're approved. They're approved. These brands, these indie brands, congratulations, seriously, congratulations on creating and producing good product. I am so happy I live in a day and age where I can walk into a mainstream store or online and I can get my stuff. And you guys are doing it. And with that, my darlings, I will see you very, very soon. Well, let's say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my peaches. Mwah. Mwah.
Some problems with your phone.